Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic and advanced feature of Microsoft Word. I will demonstrate how to create and format documents, insert image, table, and chart, adjust the page out, layout, and also how to use a templates and style. For step 1, opening a Microsoft Word. Una, of course, i-open muna natin ang Microsoft Word. To do this, just click the Microsoft Word icon dito sa desktop or hanapin sa start menu. Then piliin natin ang blank document. Step 1, setting page layout like margin, orientation, and size. Bago tayo mag-type ng content, let's first set the page layout. To do this, I will click on the layout tab. For margin, I will click on margin, then choose normal which is 1 inch on all sides. Pero pwede ka rin pumili ng narrow, moderate, or custom margin. Depende sa need mo. For orientation, I can choose between a portrait and landscape. By default, naka-portrait siya. Pero kung gagawa ka rin ng white tables or chart, mas okay yung ang landscape. For size, I will click size and choose a letter. 8.5 times 11 inches. Since ito ang pinaka-common na paper size, pero pwede rin ng A4, legal or custom size depending on your requirements. For step 3, creating and formatting and a document. Now let's create a new blank document. I will type a short paragraph or let's say our topic, the importance of education. Now, now magpipretend tayo na gagawa ng definition, the importance of education. Okay, now let's format the text. First, I will select the title, the importance of education. Then I will click the bold button. The font na gagamitin ko ay Arial and font size will be 14 since title siya. Sa paragraph naman, I will select the alt text. Then, I will change the font size into 12 para mas readable. After that, I will align it to the justify para pantay ang left and right margin. It is okay kung justify ang gagamitin mo or center left or right alignment. Ikaw na ang bahala kung ano ang mas bagay sa document na ginagawa mo. For step 4, inserting an image. Next, let's an image to do this. I will click Insert tab, then choose a picture. I can select the device kung nakasave ang computer or online picture. Kung gusto kong mag-search, after choosing a picture related to education, like books or student, I will insert it into the document. Then I can resize and drag picture para ilagay sa tamang posisyon. Sa step 5 naman, creating a table. Now let's create a table. To do this, click an Insert tab. Then choose a table. When the drop down appears, I will drag my mouse and select the two columns, five, five rows. Since we need a header row and 4 row for the data. After creating the table, I will type the following. Re- like grade level or numbers of students. For step 3, inserting a chart. To make a data more visual, let's insert a chart. To do this, I will click the Insert tab, then choose a chart. A window will appear the different chart option. I will select a bar chart. After inserting, an Excel in sheet will appear. I will type the same data from the table into the Excel sheet. Grade level on the left side and number of students on the right side. Once done, the chart will automatically update in a document. I can also format a chart by changing the color or style in the chart and design tab. Step 7, using a template and style. Finally, I will apply a template and use the different styles. To do this, I can go to Design tab and select a document template to change the overall look. For text, I usually style the group on Home tab. For example, I can select the title and apply the heading 1 and the subtitle can I choose use a heading 2. This make a documents look more professional and consistent. So this tutorial I demonstrate how to open the Microsoft Word, just page layout like margin, orientation, and size. Create a format, document, insert an image, tables, and chart, and use a table and style. Thank you for watching.